Many people are looking for ways to save money, but simply cutting back on expenses is not enough. To truly change the way you look at money, you need to understand how to make it work for you. I've seen many generic pieces of advice that don't work in practice. That's why I'm here to share expert-backed tips that will help you take control of your finances and grow your wealth over time. These are the key topics that we'll cover. 1. Mindset shifts to achieve financial freedom. 2. The power of budgeting. 3. Investing for the future. 4. Change your relationship with credit cards. 5. Investing in yourself. Let's go. Chapter 1. Mindset shifts to achieve financial freedom. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to change the way you think about money. Mindset is everything when it comes to managing your finances and achieving your goals. In this chapter, I will outline some key mindset shifts that will help you take control of your finances and build wealth. Firstly, you need to start thinking long-term. Too many people are focused on short-term gains or quick fixes, but building wealth takes time and patience. Set clear financial goals for yourself and create a plan to achieve them. Remember, every small step you take towards your goals is a step in the right direction. Secondly, you need to adopt a frugal mindset. This doesn't mean you have to live like a hermit, but it does mean being mindful of your spending habits. Cut back on unnecessary expenses, be more conscious of where your money is going, and prioritize saving over spending. Finally, you need to start seeing money as a tool to build the life you want, rather than an end in itself. Money should be used to create opportunities, experiences, and freedom. Don't just accumulate wealth for the sake of it. Use it to live a fulfilling life. Chapter 2. The power of budgeting. Budgeting is one of the most powerful tools you can use to take control of your finances. It allows you to track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and prioritize your financial goals. In this chapter, I will show you how to create a budget that works for you. The first step in creating a budget is to track your spending for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Next, you need to categorize your expenses and create a budget for each category. It's important to be realistic when creating your budget. Don't set unrealistic expectations for yourself, or you'll be setting yourself up for failure. Instead, start small and gradually increase your budget as you get more comfortable with managing your money. Finally, make sure you review your budget regularly and adjust it as needed. Your financial situation will change over time, so it's important to be flexible and adaptable. Chapter 3. Investing for the future. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. It allows you to grow your money over time and take advantage of compound interest. In this chapter, I will show you how to get started with investing and set yourself up for long-term success. The first step in investing is to educate yourself about the different types of investments and their potential risks and rewards. This will help you make informed decisions and choose investments that are right for your financial goals and risk tolerance. Next, you need to create a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Diversification helps spread your risk and minimize losses. It's also important to have a long-term mindset when investing. Don't try to time the market or chase quick gains. Instead, focus on investing consistently over time and let compound interest do its work. Finally, make sure you review your investments regularly and rebalance your portfolio as needed. This will help you stay on track and ensure your investments are aligned with your financial goals. Chapter 4. Change your relationship with credit cards. If you are struggling with debt, the first step towards financial stability is to change your relationship with credit cards. Credit cards can be a helpful financial tool, but they can also be a dangerous trap. If you want to get out of debt and start building wealth, you need to learn how to use credit cards responsibly. The first thing you need to do is to stop using your credit cards for everyday purchases. Credit cards should only be used for emergencies or large purchases that you can pay off quickly. Instead of using your credit card to buy groceries or pay for gas, use cash or a debit card. This will help you stay within your budget and avoid unnecessary debt. Once you have stopped using your credit cards for everyday purchases, it's time to come up with a plan to pay off your existing debt. One strategy is to focus on paying off the credit card with the highest interest rate first. This will save you money in interest charges and help you pay off your debt faster. Another strategy is to consolidate your credit card debt into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can help you save money on interest charges and make it easier to pay off your debt. It's also important to avoid taking on new debt while you are paying off your existing debt. This means avoiding new credit card purchases and resisting the urge to apply for new credit cards. If you need to make a large purchase, try to save up for it instead of using your credit card. Finally, once you have paid off your credit card debt, you need to change your habits to avoid getting back into debt. This means creating a budget and sticking to it, building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. You should also consider setting up automatic payments for your bills and credit cards to avoid late fees and missed payments. Changing your relationship with credit cards is not easy, but it is essential if you want to get out of debt and start building wealth. By using credit cards responsibly and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can achieve financial stability and start living the life you want. Chapter 5. Investing in yourself. When it comes to growing your wealth, one of the most valuable investments you can make is in yourself. This can mean a lot of different things, from taking classes to learn a new skill, to hiring a coach to help you reach your goals. Investing in yourself can pay off in many ways. By improving your skills and knowledge, you can increase your earning potential and advance in your career. You can also improve your health and well-being, which can save you money in medical expenses down the line. Some ways to invest in yourself include taking courses or workshops to learn new skills, hiring a coach or mentor to help you achieve your goals, attending conferences or networking events to expand your knowledge and connections, or even taking time off to rest and recharge. Remember, investing in yourself is not selfish. It's essential to your long-term financial success. By prioritizing your personal growth and development, you can build a better future for yourself and those around you. Changing the way you look at money is not easy. But it is essential if you want to build long-term wealth. By understanding the true value of your money and how to make it work for you, you can achieve financial independence and security. With these expert-backed tips, you can take control of your finances and start building the future you deserve. Don't settle for generic advice. Take action and make your money work for you.